Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that we would do something different in way of I have been searching out for the best primer and foundation for middle-aged and aging skin so that we could get rid of lines and pores, because look at this, people. Let's get rid of it. So what I thought we would do is on one side of the face, we would try the all famous Benefit Porefessional primer and foundation, and then on the other side of the face, we would try Milk of Magnesia, set that and do the foundation, and let's put this sucker to the test, because I'm gonna tell you something, if that works, this girl will be doing that every friggin' single day of her life. So I saw it on YouTube and I thought, oh, these guys are crazy. But what I didn't see was they didn't compare sides. They just, you know, they tried it, but there was no comparison to their normal everyday on one side. So I say, let's do it. So what I'm going to do is, on the right side, I am going to put normal Porefessional by Benefit that I typically do to get rid of the big ass pores that I have. And then on the other side, here's that. What I typically do, since we're going to do this side like a normal day, what I normally do is I use the Benefit Pore, and then I use the, sorry, I forgot how to get that out. Me being professional and all, you know, didn't have that laying out and ready. I typically put this on where my pores and fine lines is, and then I go over my entire face with Cover FX Anti-Aging Primer. So I'm just going to do the right side of my face like I would. And it does make it really thick, but I do not like to see. And you know what, it's so funny, I was looking in the mirror the other day, and everybody's doing these fake freckles, and I have freckles, and I'm covering them up. And everybody is like trying to like do fake freckles. Girls. Okay, so what I thought I would do is I poured a little bit of that Milk of Magnesia out into a bowl, and I found an e.l.f. brush because I'm not going to use one of my good brushes, and I'm going to just, I guess, put this on the left side. Oh God, I got the cherry scent, or cherry flavored, and it smells like cherry, which is good. I'm gonna go over my lip and see if it does away with that too. I mean, I'm going all in. Knocked my earring out my ear and everything. Oh my God. It feels like, honestly, I mean, it's not like I haven't felt this on my face before, but I mean, I want to feels like jizz, okay? I'm just gonna keep it real. Welcome to my channel. But I mean, hey, if it gets rid of the pores and the wrinkles, I will straight up wipe jizz on my face every damn day, okay? I've never had cherry scented jizz wiped on my face. I mean, I didn't typically have it wiped on my face, but I mean, you know. Alright, on some of the videos it said to dry it, so. That's pretty. Alright, let's do it again. Woo. I saw a video where this woman was using calamine lotion too. Now, you know, someone is wanting firm skin, but you know, I got to thinking about it. I bet that would work. Because calamine lotion, when it dries, it does get firm. So, I mean, really, so does jizz. So, I mean, you know, I was like, honey. And then your Miss Ruff be like, any other time, you'd be like, no, get it away from my face. Put it on my lips so that we can try the lipstick and see if it, because I got those lines around my lips, you know what I mean? And we're gonna see if it works. They says people says to do it in a thin swiping motion so that you can cover it with your. Let's dry it up. All right. Let's see if foundation will cover it.
But they seem happy. Baby's healthy. That's really all that matters. Your forecast is on the way on 995.
How about if we get a bottle of foundation that has something in it? Really? Crimony. What is the deal? Here we go. I'm saying. Kind of looks like it takes more.
You had your procedure done as an outpatient, correct?
Dr. Gessler told me I could have outpatient surgery.
And I'll put some over here, like I normally do, so that we can compare side by side. I mean, I just feel like I need more over there, because I guess because it's white. And I'm going to use my swirly Michael Todd Sonic, because that's what I do every day. I want to just do what I do every day.
This combination of technology, content, and personalized attention is designed to provide the WVJC online student with an enjoyable, rewarding, and unique educational experience. The online platform User-friendly, easy to navigate, backed by 24/7 tech support, and mobile-friendly. Every WVJC online program includes training to help you pass professional certification tests, increasing your career marketability. WVJC online instructors develop one-on-one relationships with their students, and all online graduates benefit from a career service department. Discover how WVJC Online is the right online.
Well, the blendability is a little hard.
Or visiting wvjc.edu. That's 877-25-ONLINE or wvjc.edu.
Oh yeah. This is a fail. Look at that.
Get to Warner Kia now. It's a new car celebration at Warner Kia in downtown Parkersburg.
Maybe it's the
Any select new Kia
sonic brush. Let me try a regular.
for 75 months without payments for
Yeah, that's better.
2017 Kia Forte.
You can't use a like a Clarisonic or
Just $14,400. Or how about a 2017
a sonic brush
only $12,995.
because
Plus, all credit applications are processed immediately. Or bring us any
it doesn't want to.
edition and get a $4,000 discount towards the purchase of any red tag.
It doesn't want to. It kind of flakes a little bit.
Warner Kia, 501 7th Street in downtown Parkersburg. Or WarnerKia.com. For JD Power award information, visit jdpower.com.
It does look like it's giving me
0% APR financing for 75 months and $13.33 per month per thousand.
more coverage though.
Tag Thailand Nazi. 90 days deferred payment. Factory rebates to dealer. Offers to the buyer. Sliders ended month.
My 95 weather for Parkersburg, Marietta, and across the Middle Howe Valley calls for showers tonight with a low of 42. Chance of showers tomorrow with a high of 48. And the chance of snow showers moves in tomorrow night along with colder temps and a low of 30. That's a look at weather from My 95, My Music, My Station.
I don't know what the heck that is up there. What do you think? Alright, let me do the contour. Let me put this on here and then we'll take up close pictures. I think you could definitely tell here. I think it really does look like it's working. Maybe not needs quite as much, and you definitely need to blend it in. But what I'll do is I will fix the rest of my face and I'll come right back. Okay guys, I am back. I think based on this side being my normal everyday primer with Porefessional and Cover FX primer, and this side being Milk and Magnesia, I can actually see a difference. I mean, I have saggy eyes and fine lines and big lines and bottom lines and all the way around lines, and this side actually feels tighter and than this side, as it probably should since it's got about 7 layers of Milk and Magnesia on it. But it actually feels good. I mean, but if you like a full coverage feel type thing, if you like a full coverage feel, then definitely that's what I would say to do. I mean, you could scoot in here and I don't know if you could see, if you can tell a difference, but I definitely can tell a difference. So I'm gonna try it again and wear it all day and see how that is, and I will write down in the comment section in a couple days of, you know, how it feels like to wear throughout like an 8-hour or a 10-hour period, and not just to do it just for, you know, a challenge type sake or just a trial period. Like, I want to see what it feels like to wear it all day. I mean, does it get hot? Does it run off? Does it, you know, whatever. So anyway, if it works, I mean, we've been spending a lot of money on primers. You could just buy a thing of Malox. So anyway, thanks for checking out the video. Please hit the like, subscribe, and all that jazz. You know the drill. Thanks for watching. More to come.